Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here. Today is we embark on a delightful exploration of one of the most aspects of any wedding, the wedding dress. Your wedding day is undeniably one of the most special and memorable days of your life. A day when you want to excite confidence, elegance, and share beauty, and that's precisely why I am here to offer you a of inspiration and ideas to assist you in finding your dream god. When I am wearing, let's explore the classic attire by adding jewelry, walls, and hair pieces. You have the power to create a look that unique to you. It dramatic wall can your outfit with a traditional touch, while a delicate crown bohemian white that with your soul. I understand that process can be cute and investment, but fear not. I have made sure to elegance for when to make a statement or wedding dresses are perfect choice with the utmost attention to detail using the fantastic fabric bed work and design. These dresses are true work of art and are often custom made to a perfect fit. A culture gown will not only make actionable option that stunning. Remember the inspiration from the with style French or image luxuries materials such as locals and silk graceful. You are gone with fading and delicate. These careful selected fare that you will look and feel like an absolute princess on your big day. The quality and simply unparalleled that every switch and details to your beauty. However, not forget that your wedding dress is just the beginning of your simple accessorize. Hold and explore for sandal details such and details like floral and delicate. And if you are looking for a touch of day exploring the inspiration wedding dress inspiration wow can offer their honest opinion and provide support making process to help you get started on your writing dresses journey. I have complement an array of writing dresses ideas that believe will inspiration you and help guide you towards finding the perfect comfort. Truly the way to go. You walk down the and celebrate your embark on this journey to find your dream wedding dress. Remember that the magic choosing that makes you feel like the most beautiful version of yourself. These careful selected fare that you will look and feel like an absolutely princess on your big day. The quality and simply that every switch and detail to your beauty. However, forget that your wedding dress is just the beginning of your simple accessories. Hold and handle details such a details perfectly now into the realm of fashion for the Bohemian bride, and dresses is an absolutely dresses romantic fabric like lace and delicate detail or that why celebrate the dress is available in a range of size to together to every beautiful body shape. And if you can't find your dream dresses design option, allowing you to create one of a kind that perfectly matches your personal style. And whether you are let's dive the timeless classic bond style, picture yourself a true princess in the dress with body is and volume skirt that fading or adding extra touch of glamour for those seeking a more understand approach. A shade dress might be the perfect choice. The sleek and modern style pieces you have the power to create look that unique to you. It romantic wall can your outfit with traditional touch while a delicate crown bohemian white that with your soul. I understand that writing process can be quite but fear not. I have made sure to elegance for want to make a statement. Wedding dresses are perfect choice. Design the dresses are true work of art and often custom made to perfect. What the shield vary STS or option available that you will find the dresses that perfectly with the setting of your special day. Picture yourself a princess drawn in the dress with skirt that elegance. And to help you get started on your wedding dress journey, I have in array of wedding dress ideas that believe will unique inspiration you and help guide you towards finding the perfect for your special day. First and foremost, let's explore the classic style. This timeless design. Hello, today I am absolutely thrilled to have your today as we embark on exciting journey into the world of wedding dress. Your wedding day is undeniably one of the most special and memorable day your life. Dress is available in a range of size to together to every beautiful body shape. And if you can't find your dream dress design, often customization option, allowing you to create one of a kind gown that perfectly matches personal style. And whether style, picture yourself a true princess in the dress with the fighting body and skirt that fighting extra touch of glamour for the seeking more understand. And thank you so much for the watch.